In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a client to Slack, an essential skill for managing team communications and collaboration effectively. So whether you're bringing in a new client or adding an existing one to your dedicated channels, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and get you set up smoothly. To start, first head over to Slack. This is your primary workspace where all the interactions will occur. If you haven't done so already, just open your preferred browser and go to the Slack website. It's important to have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to sign in to proceed. Once you're inside Slack, the next step involves signing in with your Google account, which can streamline the process considerably. Simply click on the Google icon or option provided, and you'll be redirected. Make sure you select the correct Google account, the one that's associated with your Slack workspace. Sometimes we may have multiple accounts, so take a moment to ensure it's the right one. After clicking on your Google account, you'll see an option to continue. Clicking Continue is essential because it allows the necessary permissions to be granted. Trust me, this step is crucial for ensuring a seamless experience as you integrate your client into your Slack workspace. Once your Slack portal is open, navigate to the dedicated channel you have set up for your client. If you don't have one yet, now's a good time to create it. Having a specific channel not only helps keep communication organized, but also ensures that your client has access to relevant discussions and information. Within the channel, click on the channel name displayed at the top. This action will reveal several options, including the Members tab. Click on Members to manage the participants of this channel. Here you'll find the Add People option. This is your gateway to inviting others into the conversation. Once you click Add People, a window will appear prompting you to add the client by their email or name. Be sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any mishaps. With the client's email or name typed in, proceed by clicking Add. This formalizes their entry into the channel, making it possible for them to view and participate in discussions pertinent to your collaboration. And there you have it. Your client is now part of your Slack channel, ready to engage and work alongside your team. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a new client into your Slack workspace, fostering a more collaborative environment. Keep this guide handy for future reference, and feel free to share it with colleagues who might also need a little help getting started. Thank you for following along, and happy collaborating.